नमो ओं विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते जयपताका स्वामीति नामिने नमः आचार्यपादाय निताय कृपाप्रदायिने गौरकथा धामदाय नगरग्रामतारिणे। Hare Krishna Guru Maharaj, please accept my frustrated obeisances unto your divine lotus feet on this auspicious occasion of your divine appearance. I consider myself very fortunate to be able to serve under your guidance, particularly since I have been engaged in the service of Mayapur Institute, the dearmost project of Srila Prabhupada, and you have been guiding me in an exemplary manner. A few instances which I can cite to express my thanks and gratitude, and also to explain the unlimited ocean of mercy that you have been showering upon us. Your divine holiness have been inspiring all these days since I took over Mayapur Institute project. You have been not only guiding me to create the education facility for your disciples, but you are always concerned about creating education program in a very systematic manner, highly professional way, and the facilities which we are creating has to be very, very acceptable to the Western audience. You always keep an eye on all these qualities. And particularly, you have been instructing me to do something for the Nama devotees where they can come and study the scriptures to attend Bhakti Shastri degree. And we have been working together more than 1 year. Recently, I had a meeting with Sumadura Prabhu where we're going to have a second launch of program for the devotees in Assam and Siliguri areas. And Tarakrishnanam Prabhu is also involved personally to ensure these study programs are met according to your expectations. Devotees are thoroughly being educated. And as far as the on-site program is concerned, currently we are holding program for the Bengali crowd, and we have started one English batch which is going online currently. And all these things are happening because of your personal inspiration. I remember last year, you wanted to continue with the Bhakti Vaibhav study program. I could see that your holiness does not require any degree program, Bhakti Vaibhav or Bhakti Vedanta whatsoever. But you are so kind, as I said, you are the ocean of mercy. You have taken all the troubles to again go through this study program, and you want to go for the test. I was thinking that we can arrange some honorary degree program for senior members like yourself, but you declined. You said, no, I want to do everything as per the standard. So this gives us a lot of inspiration, enthusiasm for the second generation to learn from your holiness that when you, in such a health challenging situation, taking a Shastric study program so seriously, then what should we do? So this is a big lesson for us. And you are currently studying and inspiring us. So we are also hoping that we can take this as an example to inspire many of our devotees. Not only this, you have been inspiring all the devotees in many different ways. I remember one incident which shows like Krishna is an ocean of unlimited mercy. You also do depict those qualities in your personal behavior with the devotees. Once upon a time, you were traveling from US. It was a long journey, and you arrived in Calcutta airport after 24 hours of travel. And it was night time. You had no prasadam. Then as you started your journey from Calcutta airport, you were on the way to Mayapur, just near Madhyam Gram. Some of your disciples came, they gave you some prasadam, and you were just about to open the packet, and you were just about to honor the prasad. At that time, the next stoppage comes, and some of your other disciples who came, and they did not know anything, and they felt like Guru Maharaj is having prasad, or maybe he wants to give to us, and they all started putting their hand out, Guru Maharaj, prasad, prasad, prasad. And I still remember, and you just without saying anything, you started distributing the prasadam from your plate until it was completely finished. And after that, you just kept quietly and went on smiling and talking to the devotees in a so loving manner, like a loving father. And you came back to Mayapur without eating anything. This is another example of the quality that Krishna possesses Bhakta Vatsa, very affectionate to his devotees. You also been always very, very affectionate to all Prabhupada followers. In your divine instruction I have seen, you have been inspiring your disciples in a very, very particular way, where devotees learn the importance of serving Srila Prabhupada's mission. Especially in this connection, I would like to cite the incidents of Prem Goswami Prabhu, who is one of your dear disciples, serving in Mayapur Institute, following your divine instruction. Prem Goswami Prabhu's dedication, he is moved to serve Srila Prabhupada's mission, shows the praiseworthy quality you possess when it comes to serving Srila Prabhupada. My dear Gurudev, there are a lot of qualities we can describe about you, but how much can I say? It's like showing a lamp to the sun. So on this auspicious occasion of your divine appearance, I beg unto your lotus feet, please keep blessing us, our Mayapur Institute team members, so that we will be able to serve under your divine protection to fulfill the desire of Srila Prabhupada. And I expect one day when the corona pandemic is over, situation is normalized, you can pay a visit to our Mayapur Institute campus to bless us physically. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. ईश्वरी ने जय पताका स्वामी गुरु महाराज की जय।